Mechanical keyboards provide faster response, precise keystrokes, durability, and superior tactile feedback, giving gamers accuracy, speed, and competitive advantage. My today's video is about top 5 best mechanical gaming keyboard that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Redragon Gaming Keyboard. The Redragon K671 mechanical gaming keyboard delivers a powerful balance of performance, customization, and visual appeal. Its 11 dynamic backlight modes, with adjustable brightness and speed, create an immersive atmosphere for both gaming and late-night productivity. Double injection ABS keycaps ensure crisp illumination and consistent, accurate keystrokes over long sessions. Powered by smooth, hot-swappable linear red switches, the keyboard requires minimal actuation force, making it ideal for fast-paced RPG, MMO, and competitive gameplay. Macro editing support allows deep customization. Remap keys, create shortcuts, or combine commands to boost efficiency in work and gaming. Full key anti-ghosting guarantees flawless input during complex combinations, while dedicated multimedia shortcuts provide quick control over essential functions. With included spare switches, extra keycaps, and a generous 24-month warranty, the K671 stands out as a reliable, gamer-focused keyboard built for speed, comfort, and long-term use. Now our second product is SteelSeries Gaming Keyboard. This hybrid mechanical gaming keyboard delivers a refined balance of performance, durability, and immersive customization. Its hybrid blue switches combine the satisfying tactile click of mechanical keys with the smoothness of a membrane design, rated for an impressive 20 million keystrokes to ensure long-term reliability. The integrated OLED smart display elevates personalization, letting you showcase custom GIFs, real-time game stats, or Discord messages directly on the keyboard. Built with an aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame, it feels exceptionally sturdy and resistant to daily wear. Dynamic per-key RGB lighting adds visual depth, offering vibrant effects that react to gameplay and enhance any setup. Comfort is equally prioritized with a premium magnetic wrist rest that provides excellent palm support during extended sessions. Paired with the large 900 by 300 by 4 mm surface area, this keyboard is engineered for gamers who value responsiveness, durability, and a truly immersive desktop experience. Our third product is Logitech Gaming Keyboard. The Logitech G213 Prodigy delivers an impressive mix of vibrant aesthetics, comfort, and gaming-focused performance. Its 5-zone RGB lighting draws from over 16.8 million colors, producing brilliant key illumination with minimal light bleed, making every key easy to spot even in the dark. Using Logitech G software, you can synchronize lighting with other Logitech G devices for a unified setup. Built for both gaming and productivity, the full-size design features a slim profile, spill-resistant construction, and an integrated palm rest for long-lasting comfort. Performance is where the G213 truly shines. Each key is specially tuned for tactile precision and ultra-fast response, offering input speeds up to 4 times faster than standard keyboards. Anti-ghosting ensures accurate multi-key presses during intense gameplay. Dedicated media controls and deep software customization round out a keyboard designed to keep you comfortable, responsive, and fully in control. Now number 4, Corsair Gaming Keyboard. The Corsair K100 RGB is a flagship gaming keyboard that combines cutting-edge technology, durability, and unparalleled customization. Its sleek aluminum frame provides a solid, premium feel, while dynamic per-key RGB lighting and the 44-zone, 3-sided light edge create a visually stunning centerpiece for any setup. Powered by Corsair Axon hyperprocessing technology, the K100 delivers up to 4x faster input with 4000 Hz hyperpolling and key scanning, ensuring lightning-fast responsiveness. The exclusive Corsair OPX RGB optical mechanical switches feature a 1 mm actuation distance and smooth linear travel, guaranteeing 150 million keystrokes while registering inputs significantly faster than standard mechanical keyboards. Multifunctional control is intuitive with the programmable ICUE control wheel, giving immediate access to lighting adjustments, media control, and more. 6 dedicated macro keys, fully compatible with Elgato Stream Deck software, enable complex key remaps or streaming command for professional gamers and content creators. The K100 RGB delivers exceptional speed, precision, and versatility, making it a top-tier choice for competitive gaming and immersive setups. And our last choice is HyperX Gaming Keyboard. The HyperX 60% mechanical gaming keyboard delivers a compact yet powerful experience designed for both performance and portability. Its petite 60% form factor frees up valuable desk space, giving gamers more room for mouse movement during intense sessions. Crafted from full aircraft-grade aluminum, the keyboard feels sturdy and stable even under aggressive gameplay. Double-shot PBT keycaps with side printing ensure durability and resistance to wear, while secondary functions are easy to recognize at a glance. Powered by custom HyperX mechanical switches, it offers a precise balance of speed and accuracy, rated for 80 million keystrokes without degradation. The exposed LED design enhances RGB backlighting, producing vivid, radiant lighting effects that bring every key to life. Advanced customization through HyperX Ingenuity allows users to program game mode, macros, and per-key lighting, tailoring the experience to individual needs. With 3 adjustable angles and a detachable USB-C cable, this keyboard combines comfort, portability, and premium performance for serious gamers. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.